to get the best of the space, because I do believe that I do have a good space, but it's just the setting. I just want to maybe have like a math station, science station, or a STEM place. Just kind of divide them separately, because right now all the activities, they're just concentrated on this table.
Right. So what I'm kind of hearing is that instead of having to bring the kids together at a table for an activity, you want to set up activities and interest centers throughout the room so the kids can choose for themselves, and then you can maybe offer a special activity that they can come to if they want, but they have many other options.
And I think that one of the things we've talked in coaching is about that need to have a dedicated space where the building can take place in the block center. And there's some space and the kids make do, but what I think is a challenge for a lot of the different learning centers is that it would be hard for more than 2 people to play together.
If I'm someplace else, you know, normally that kitchen spot is right here, then I can't see over here. We had that problem today. Cannon was over here playing, and I was over there supervising water, and I couldn't see him on the floor over here. So supervision is always a really big problem.
She has a great space already, but her and her coach have been hoping to make some changes since she has a new group of little ones. She had some older children that were preschoolers that moved on to kindergarten, and now she needs to revamp her space for the little ones. And then we'll take the infant cozy area. Since the toys will be here, the noisier, more active play, we'll have to decide to put the cozy area over in that corner, which is not what we thought we were going to do, but I think that's going to work. Do you guys think that seems like a good plan?
Yes, that's great, because then the loud areas will be in the same, on the same space, and the cozy area will be far away.
I want to make the shelves sticking out to make more defined learning spaces, but I'm also nervous because it's going to be a crawling baby, and I kind of feel like keeping it open and maybe just using rugs, like in the dramatic play area, put a little rug on the floor to define it, but keep the materials kind of against the wall. So we got your block area out here, we got the dramatic play, you got the cozy area, reading area far away from the blocks and other noisy materials.
Doing childcare for over 30 years, it was really nice of the Makeover crew to come in and help me re-emphasize my philosophy and my care for children and helping of the families, and by giving me areas that define my play with the kids.
La mejor parte de todo esto la van a llevar los niños, mis niños que cuido. Ya quiero ver la expresión de ellos cuando ellos vengan y vean todo el cambio. Todo está perfecto. Muchísimas gracias.